New at 5, the recent outbreak of measles across the country has sparked a huge debate over immunizations and whether they should be mandatory for all kids. Well, today, the state of Iowa released a list of immunization rates for all Iowa schools. CBS News reporter Matt Hamill has been looking into this and joins us now live from Iowa City, where some of the lower rates are recorded. Matt?
Yeah, Tiffany, this is going to matter about what parents think, what their risk number is, and how low is too low. But take a look at what we found out today with some of these numbers that were just released. There are some schools in the corridor where nearly 20%, or 1 in 5 of the students, have never been vaccinated for MMR, measles, mumps, rubella. Horace Mann Elementary in Iowa City is one of them. About 40 kids here have never had their shots. Now, nearly 8,000 students in Iowa have exemptions, either medical or religious, and are not vaccinated. We talked with one parent who actually is a nurse. She says she is not as concerned because her family is immunized.
As a parent, I'm not terribly concerned. I mean, that's a pretty small percentage. But it would be nice to get to the bottom of why these kids are not immunized. Is it religious reason? Is it income? Is it lack of knowledge? We have the resources to help them. So maybe that's something that can be addressed.
Now, it's important to note that some of these kids simply can't be vaccinated for whatever reason. They may be allergic, they may have medical conditions, but that is a very small percentage. We just talked with the health department director here in Johnson County. He said it's about 3 to 1 between those who have medical difficulties and those who have religious exemptions. Also important to point out, some schools have very high rates of immunization. In Solon, Tiffany, nearly 99% of all of the students there have had their shots.